In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesflare to Make.com. By the end, you'll have a clear path to building automated workflows called scenarios between Salesflare and your other apps, without writing a single line of code. First, head to Make.com and log in. If you're new, you can create a free account in a minute. Once you're on the dashboard, start a fresh scenario. Think of a scenario as a flow that takes data from one place, does something with it, and sends it where it needs to go. You'll land on a blank canvas where everything happens. On that canvas, click the big plus button to add your first app and search for Salesflare. Select it, and you'll see a list of modules you can use, such as creating a contact, creating a task, or creating an opportunity. Modules are the building blocks of your automation and make exactly what you want to do in Salesflare. When you drop in your first Salesflare module, Make will prompt you to connect your Salesflare account. Click to add a connection, then log in and authorize access in the pop-up so Make can work with your Salesflare data securely. Depending on your setup, you might be asked for an API key. If so, you can retrieve it from Salesflare settings under API keys. Keep that key private and never share it publicly. Next, decide how your automation should behave. In Make, you typically combine a trigger with one or more actions. A trigger starts the scenario. For example, a new record appearing in another app. An action is what Make should do next. In this case, something like creating a contact in Salesflare. A common example is using a new form submission as the trigger, then creating a matching contact in Salesflare as the action. After you choose the pieces you need, confirm your selections. Now it's time to map fields. This step tells Make exactly which pieces of incoming data belong in which Salesflare fields. For instance, map an email field from your form to the contact email in Salesflare. Make will show you the available items to map, and you can pick them from a drop-down. Be sure to fill in all required fields and double-check that the data types make sense. Finally, run the scenario once to test it. Review the results, make adjustments if something doesn't look right, and when you're satisfied, switch it on. From here, Make will handle the automation for you in the background, reliably and hands-free.